Singing, dancing, great composers, music is for everyone. We have 3 rhythm stick activities to share with you today. We are going to be doing a Clap for Classics, a instrument exploration series. So this is the first video in that series, exploring some claves or rhythm sticks. So we're going to get right to it. The first activity is a steady beat activity. And as you can imagine, we like to use classical music here as much as we can. So I've chosen a classical piece with a really great steady beat. We're going to listen to Handel's Water Music. And any piece will work that has a really good pulse, that doesn't speed up or slow down or pause in the middle. So steady beat is great to work with kids from a really young age. There's all kinds of benefits for them. It is going to be the foundation of their rhythmic intelligence. And so from a young age with a baby, dancing, patting, rocking side to side, it's very natural to kind of share that steady beat from a very young age. As the kids get older, we like to incorporate a little bit more advanced play with this. So the rhythm sticks are great. It's our favorite steady beat instrument because it has a very crisp, clear sound that can happen right on that beat. So grab some rhythm sticks. We use these. They're just wooden dowels. You can use PVC pipe. You can use wooden spoons. If you don't have a rhythm stick, your hands work great. Tapping on your lap works great as well. So let's get started. I chose this piece also because there's a really nice echo, which gives us, again, another chance to do some active listening and to change our movement on the echo. So here we go. Are you ready? You got your sticks?
Yeah.
Can you tap with me? We're going to switch to tapping on the floor on that echo. Can you tap with me?
It's okay.
Just tap with me. On the beat.
It makes different sounds.
It does. All right, we're not going to do too much more than that. You get the idea. And that one, if your little one is having a hard time or you want a little bit more control, sit them in your lap and tap with them, hand over hand. You can give them the rhythm sticks and put your hands over, or bounce them in your lap would be really great too. This one is just a way that you can explore with your rhythm sticks. So it goes like this. What can I do with my sticks? I tap my sticks like this. I tap them high, I tap them low. What can I do with my sticks? What else can we do with our sticks, Charlotte? Can you rub them on the carpet? What can I do with my sticks? I rub my sticks like this. I rub them fast. You do it fast. I rub them slow. What can I do with my sticks? What else can we do? Should we roll them? What can I do with my sticks? I roll my sticks like this. I roll them fast. I roll them slow. What can I do with my sticks? What else could we do with them? How else do we play with our sticks?
Tap.
Shall we tap? What should we tap? We did tap already. Should we tap our knees? What can I do with my sticks? I tap my sticks like this. I tap them fast. I tap them slow. What can I do with my sticks? How about scrape? What can I do with my sticks? I scrape my sticks like this. I scrape them high. I scrape them low. What can I do with my sticks?
Now my turn.
All right, what else are we going to do with them? What else can we do with these sticks? Oh, I like that one. What can I do with my sticks? I tap my sticks like this. I tap them fast. I tap them slow. What can I do with my sticks? Or we could tap them high. Could we jump our sticks? We jump them high. We jump them low. Oh, you could jump while you're doing sticks. There's so many things you can do with sticks. So this is really fun to just let your child's imagination go and don't have any preconceived ideas of what's going to happen and just let them explore. Okay, our last activity is a song that everybody knows. We are going to sing the ABCs. And we're going to do a challenge. It's called the Steady Beat versus the Rhythm Challenge. This activity worked really well for 2.5 to 5-year-olds. And Charlotte is almost 4 years old, and she's starting to get the hang of it. But in the beginning, it was quite a challenge to differentiate between beat and rhythm. So first, real quick, the difference between beat and rhythm. Beat is the pulse of the song. We talked about it before. It's what you would clap to or tap your foot to. That's your beat. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. So that's going to be the beat. Rhythm is the notes that have a rhythmic value. So in a song like ABCs, the words that we're saying, the pace of the words is the rhythm. So that is a little bit different, and that is going to be a little bit more challenging, but it's a great pre-reading skill that your kids are going to use as they begin to read. So it's a great one to work on, and your kids may not realize they're doing beat or rhythm, but they'll be able to imitate the activity and get the benefits from it, whether they know what we're doing or not. So let's start with beat. You can sit on my lap. We're going to tap the beat to the ABCs. Let's see if we can keep a steady beat. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Good job on that steady beat. All right, now we're going to try the rhythm. You ready? So now we're going to tap to every syllable we say. Here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hope you guys like those rhythm stick activities. I hope they were helpful and that you try something. Please let us know if you try these activities. If you would like to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, we do send out just a weekly email. And if you'd like to get on that email list to get access to just our helpful resources and tips for bringing quality music education to your kids at home, you can send me a message and I will get you on that list. Or you can go ahead and sign up at clapforclassics.com/email, and that'll get you all signed up. Anyway, hope you're having a great day, and we will see you next week.